How do, and welcome to Newcastle. We stood here on the Millennium Bridge on the River Tyne. Newcastle with its famous backdrop there of all the bridges, home to some iconic beers, some fabulous nightlife. So we're going to go find a nice little butcher, some nice beers. We'll go back, see what we can do. Right, so yeah, we've come to Heaton, to this place, the Block and Bottle. A lovely butchery there. We've got a fantastic Cote de Boeuf that we're going to go back and cook and pair some of the beer that we've got earlier on. So we're back now from our trip in Newcastle. We've got all the food ready and we've got some lovely beer, some brown ale that we got from a brewery not so far away. So as we know, Newcastle is synonymous with Newcastle brown ale. But just down the road at Newburn, about 3 or 4 miles out of Newcastle, we have the lovely people at the Hadrian Border Brewery, and they do this wonderful Tyneside brown, a brown ale. So that's what we're going to use today to pair with our lovely meal.
So what we're going to do today is a beautiful piece of Cote de Boeuf from the Block and Bottle, and then we're going to serve it with some onion potatoes, some nice flat cap mushrooms with some garlic, some nice fresh asparagus, and then I'm going to do some beer battered onion rings with the Tyneside brown ale. So I've got potatoes on the boil, and then I've got some mushrooms that I've just seasoned with salt and pepper, some olive oil and some garlic. They're going to go into the oven, and then the Cote de Boeuf is going to go onto the barbecue. Okay, so now we've got our barbecue warm, 250, so I'm going to put it on and just leave it there to sizzle. Now, as you can see, it's nice and charred, and now I'm going to take it off and put it into the oven just to finish it off. There you go. So now I'm just going to make a quick beer batter for the onion rings. I've just got some plain flour. I'm just going to add some pepper and some salt. And then just add the beer until it's quite a thick consistency. And just give it a good whisk up. Just drop more. Then you can always add just a drop of water as well, just to let it go down a bit. There we go. That's your beer batter. So I've got some oil heated up here, ready to do some onion rings. And I've got the beef just sat resting. So all we do is we just flour them and dip them into the batter. And then just gently fry them. Don't put too many in or else they will not cook as fast, so we'll do 3 at a time. Just let them cook. So these are all ready, so I'm just going to drain the oil off and just put them on some kitchen towel just to get rid of the oil, and then you can do some more. And as you can see, it's cooked lovely and medium rare. And there we have the Cote de Boeuf with some onion potatoes, which go really well with the nuttiness of the beer. And then we have the mushrooms, onion rings and asparagus, and I made a little pepper sauce to go with it.